How to fix Twitch not loading or working properly. Let's get started. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open a browser. Now in the search bar, you can simply search for Twitch. Once you search for it, log into your account. Once logged in, you want to go ahead and simply tap on this little icon. Then select cookies and site data. Inside your tap on manage on-device site data. Now delete everything you see here and then click on done. After that, you can simply click on the same icon again. Then select site settings. Now look for usage data if available. After that, you can simply click on clear data. Now we'll reset your network settings. You can simply press on window key and then search for the command prompt. When you search for it, you want to go ahead and simply tap on Run as Administrator, and then once it is open, you want to go ahead and simply type in the following commands. The first command is ipconfig space /flush DNS, and then press on enter. After that, you want to go ahead and simply type in netsh winsock reset. Once you have done that, press on enter and just like that, restart your computer. This will apply the changes and refresh your network completely. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.